So I read this very interesting book when I first started my self-development era of my life. A lot of people have called this book evil or even dark, and it's called The 48 Laws of Power. I'm sure you've heard of it. It's a pretty thick book. It's actually banned in a lot of prisons in the United States. And there was this one law that I still remember. I think it was Law 23. And it was all about concentrating your forces. You see, a lot of people don't find success in what they're pursuing because they're constantly scattering their time and their energy and their effort on multiple different things instead of focusing on one goal. And because they're trying to get good at so many different things at the same time, they never end up becoming a master at one. And I see this a lot with traders who want to do stocks and crypto and Forex and commodities and futures, and they actually have a business and they're doing drop shipping. Concentrate your focus and your attention on one thing and master it before you move on to something else. Stay in your lane. And trust me, you'll make way more money actually focusing on one thing and getting exceptionally good at it versus being okay at a lot of different things.